Tineco is back with another game changer in smart cleaning, the Floor One S7 Stretch Ultra, a powerhouse vacuum that combines innovation, performance, and sleek design into one seamless experience. If you're looking to upgrade your floor care routine, this just might be your dream cleaning tool. Special thanks to Tineco for sponsoring today's video. If you're interested in the S7 Stretch, be sure to shop the link in the video description. Pet owners and long-haired humans rejoice. The S7 Stretch Ultra features a dual-block anti-tangle design that keeps your roller brush free of tangled hair, thanks to its clever pre-comb system and straight floating scraper. These elements work together in tandem to grab hair at the source and keep it from wrapping around the roller, leaving you with uninterrupted, efficient cleaning and less time spent on maintenance. Tineco's thoughtful engineering shines with dual-sided edge cleaning that reaches as close as 0.5 centimeters from walls and tight corners. The 45-degree swivel joint and 13 centimeter slim body allow for 180-degree lie-flat flexibility, making it easy to glide under furniture. Add in supportive wheels and a low-positioned freshwater tank for optimal center of gravity, and you've got a vacuum that handles like a dream. From spilled milk to muddy footprints, the S7 Stretch Ultra powers through with 21,000 pascals of suction, capturing dry and wet messes in one pass. After you're done, Tineco's Flashdry self-cleaning system kicks in with a 2-minute hot water rinse, followed by a 5-minute fast dry cycle, leaving your vacuum clean, dry, and ready for the next round. Equipped with large water tanks, 1 liter clean and 0.72 liters sturdy, the S7 delivers a solid 50 minutes of runtime while maintaining constant suction. It's built for big jobs without sacrificing power, performance, or water capacity. Now let's talk about why it stands out. It has an anti-tangle brush for hassle-free pet hair pickup, edge-to-edge reach for true wall-to-wall clean, flat-lying body for under furniture access, high suction power plus self-cleaning for effortless maintenance, long battery life, and high-capacity water tanks. So, whether you're tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning the entire home, the Tineco Floor One S7 Stretch Ultra is designed to make your job easier, faster, and cleaner. Literally.